Alright, today at Mullin Machinery we have a Rockwell drill press. Model 17-600. 17-inch swing. 208, 230, 460, 3-phase. Variable speed. It's got the large table on it, the coolant trough. It's a 1 horsepower motor. It has the 1140 RPM motor on it, which according to this chart shows the speeds is 230 to 2,830. There it is on slow speed. It's nice and quiet. It's a 1/2-inch drill chuck on it. Down stop's complete. The handles are all there and they're not loose, bent, or broken as so common on drill presses. The vary speed works fine. There you have it. Check this drill out and more at mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com.